In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Loop, a feature-packed collaborative workspace app that's part of the Microsoft 365 suite. Microsoft Loop is a great tool for teams that need to create and share dynamic Loop pages. These pages are incredibly flexible canvases that allow you to bring together various types of content like text, links, tasks, and data, all within a single interface. And the best part is, it integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft apps, streamlining your workflow and enhancing productivity. To get started, open your preferred internet browser and search for Microsoft Loop. Once you've located it, you'll need to sign in using your Microsoft account. This step is pretty straightforward, but stay mindful that security protocols might prompt you to enter your password and sometimes an OTP, that's a one-time password, which could be sent to your registered email. This extra layer of security helps ensure that your data remains safe and secure. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be taken directly to your dashboard. In the dashboard, you'll see a menu option called Workspaces. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a list of all the workspaces connected to or created under your current account. Now, select the workspace you need to work in. If you're working on multiple projects, selecting the appropriate workspace will help you stay organized and focused. You'll notice in the top left corner of your workspace, there's a loop icon right next to the name of the page that's currently opened. This icon is not just decorative, it serves as an easy visual cue to help you know where you are within the app. Next to the workspace, you'll also find a list of pages within the currently opened workspace. This setup allows for quicker navigation, making it a breeze to switch between different pages without losing context or time. It's like having a digital map right at your fingertips, which can be particularly handy if you're juggling multiple tasks or projects. Should you wish to add new content, just hover your mouse towards the end of this list. There, you'll see an option pop up that says, Create a new page. Click on it, and you can start planning and collaborating immediately. With this feature, starting a new project or brainstorming session becomes as effortless as a few clicks. Once you're in a new page, feel free to explore the versatile tools at your disposal to structure your ideas just the way you envision. And that's it. With these steps, you are well on your way to streamlining collaboration and maximizing productivity with Microsoft Loop. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find Microsoft Loop as useful and intuitive as we've described. Happy collaborating!